After recent floods in Swat, Chairperson of BISP Income Support Program, Senator Rubina Khalid visited various union councils of Mingora. During the visit, she analyzed the situation and devastation caused by floods and assured possible support for flood victims. She also promised financial assistance and announced the establishment of a survey camp, along with Nadra related facilities. Senator Rubina Khalid sent a special vehicle to Mangora immediately after the visit for the BISP Dynamic Survey to help them regain their documents they lost in recent floods. On this occasion, a large number of people were seen at the camp. Victims visited to obtain their identity cards, Form B, and other important documents. They highly appreciated this initiative of Senator Rubina Khalid and expressed their gratitude to her.